Alright, so before playing this thing, the metronome deal. So some things you can do to kind of save some time is if you need to work this up to get to the old 120 to save some time, you can just play this without the repeat to begin with. But you definitely want to make sure you can do it with the repeat once you get up to that full speed. So the basic idea, the way I do the metronome stuff, the way I do it, the way I have everybody else do it, it tends to yield really good benefits. You start at 60, you play what you're working on correctly one time, and then you go up by 5 beats per minute. No more than 5 beats per minute. You can go up by less, but you don't want to go up more. You go up too high of a speed, it's just way more difficult to process the information. So in doing this, not only are you going to get accustomed to hearing the rhythm and being able to feel out the rhythm, gradually increasing it, it's just going to make it way easier to understand the rhythm and hear it and feel it out. You will get more acquainted with how your pick feels against the strings and whatnot as you go from like a slow speed to a medium speed to a faster speed. So that's been one of my big things about doing it this way, is it allows you, doing the metronome approach this way of gradually increasing the speed, it allows you to get more familiar with what your hands are doing, and you can make adjustments to pick slant stuff, where your hand's positioned, like around the pickups, maybe angle your hand this way some, maybe this way some, just try a little different tweaks and whatnot when things start to get troublesome. So most likely what's going to happen, like it does with pretty much everybody, you reach a speed, and then the picking issue of, like you mentioned, the strings or the pick getting caught on the strings. So you get to that point where it starts to want to happen, and then going up by those 5 beat per minute increments, this is going to allow you to better pinpoint what speed it's happening on, and this way you can start to smooth things out at that speed, and then get a little bit faster and smooth it out, get a little faster, smooth it out. So what I'm going to do here is demonstrate this at 4 different speeds, just so you can use this for reference. So I'm going to do 60, 80, 100, and 120. So remember, what I want from you is when you feel you've got this at 120, the video I need from you is a demonstration of 60 beats a minute and 120 beats a minute. So when you're strumming this, the strumming pattern is going to be down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, the whole time. So I have no volume. Let's change that. There we go. Okay. So here it is, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and yeah, just remember when you send the demo video, make sure you got the repeating in there, because one thing to be able to make it through just once, it tests your brain when you have to go through it twice, because that repetition can sometimes tax the attention span. So here we go, 80 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 50 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and and 3 and a 4 and under 20. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and okay, there we have it. First video thing. Anytime you have questions, let me know, and I'll see you in your video.